you guys do cycling in the fitness center, so that's one too. Okay. So these are examples. That's what we already know, and we're building on prior knowledge right now. You guys know about muscular strength and endurance. What do you guys want to know about muscular strength and endurance? That's a good question. Can you work?
Good question, guys.
Can you work both out at the same time? So that's kind of a really good question, because that's what sports is. You're working in sports, you're working both of them out at the same time. So if you're playing football, you're sprinting, but you also have to kind of last a long time. Okay? What's another one you want to know? How long? Okay. How long? Okay. So how long before you see a difference, before you kind of improve on these types of things? So again, you guys are doing the push-up test. It's not going to happen overnight. You got to kind of practice your muscular strength. You got to go from 2 push-ups all the way to 10. Okay, you got to keep on going up. So, kind of giving the class answering this question. So, how does muscular strength and endurance relate to sports? Okay, so we're going to kind of answer this as a class, and then you guys will go in groups to write your answers. Okay. So, how does this relate to sports? I'll give you guys an answer. You got to be quicker and stronger than the other team to kind of have an advantage, right? So if you're playing volleyball and you're quicker and you're faster and you're stronger, you have a better chance of winning the game compared to someone who's not as fast, not as quick, not as strong, right? So that's how it relates to sports. So you have to be stronger / quicker in sports. Does that make sense? What are some other examples how muscular endurance and strength and how you need them in sports? So I gave you an example about football, how you have to sprint, and you also have to kind of not get as tired as easily. So I put that right there. Not get as tired as easily. So we're playing volleyball today. What are some examples, specific examples for volleyball? How you need to have muscular strength and endurance? You have to be what? Quick on your feet in volleyball. So volleyball, quick on feet. Persistence, what do you mean by that? That makes sense. So arm strength is a good one. Okay? So I'm allowing some of you guys to hit the ball right here. But usually in volleyball, you're hitting the ball back here. So to build muscular strength, we're going to start off right here, but then eventually we move it back over there. So what did you say, Ashley? You said arm strength. Arm strength. Not Ashley. Arm strength. And then what's another one in volleyball?
Form, no?
Form?
Yes.
Yeah. So if you're muscular strength and endurance, if you have the right form instead of what about your position? Okay, so form / positioning. Okay. Okay. So I think that's a good amount of how does muscular strength and endurance relate to sports. So you have to kind of be strong enough to hit the ball over. If you're not strong enough, if you're not as quick, the other team's gonna win. Okay. So what I want now is in your guys' teams, in your guys' groups, it's either partners of 2 to 3. The next minute, you guys can talk about answering this question. You're going to answer in 3 to 5 sentences. So 2 or 3 of you guys are going to turn in 1 paper. Okay? So I'm going to pass out a note card. And then while you guys are talking right now, I'll pass out the pencils. Any questions? You can help pass out the pencils. Yes? Yeah, that's